I got the turntable, both speakers, and the dust cover for $15 at an estate sale. There is a little bit of grime on the dust cover, but there is no real damage to everything. I did notice, however, that this speaker had a lot of problems with producing good sound quality. It would just come out really quiet with not so great interference problems. So I think I'm going to take it apart, take a look inside, and see if the wires aren't properly connected. Besides the not functioning right speaker, everything else functions perfectly. The turntable itself still does function as a receiver because it does have inputs for tape. And also it can be used as a radio, so here's just a sound sample of what the radio sounds like. There you go, just gotta tune it up.
No one should have to make. Or a healthy lifestyle. But thousands of waiters, casino employees are forced to do just that, enduring hours of secondhand smoke, which contains more than 60 cancer-causing chemicals.
So, as you can hear, it does sound clear and it does its job perfectly fine. And the phono function does work as well, so I'm going to go ahead and give you a sample of that. It does have an automatic feature, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. Notice that it does drop the record very heavily, but I'm using a thrift store record I got for $1, so you don't really have to worry about that. So now I'm switching the balance to the other speaker, which isn't active. So as you can see, the balance does work. And now I'm changing the tone to add more bass. Not that you'll hear much of a difference. And the treble. As you can hear, it got a lot harsher. So as you can see, it does function well as a good old turntable, and it is fun to have that automatic feature, as well as the other receiver qualities, such as the input for tape. Right now I'm taking apart the speaker that isn't functioning properly. I'm starting with the outside grill, which has 6 screws holding it down. Once I removed the grill, I had to remove 4 more screws in order to release the actual speaker. Upon closer inspection, I realized that the leads were not properly connected to the speaker. After testing the speaker, I soon realized that the speaker was blown. In the future, I plan to update this project by getting a new speaker. Additionally, I plan on replacing the wire because it is such low quality. Considering how the Panasonic SD84 is sold for anywhere between $30 and $70 without the speakers on eBay, I would consider this project a success.